Let's focus here for just a moment on our prayer box, because this is another way that we empower ourselves and we empower each other when we focus on that affirmative prayer. And I invite you to think of your neighbor beside you, neighbor in front of you or behind you. We invite people to put a prayer in that prayer box that stays here for 30 days. That prayer box goes into the prayer and meditation room with us throughout the week. And then we send those prayers on to Silent Unity, where another team prays with them for 30 days. I invite you also to join me in a 3-minute miracle after the service every Sunday, where we join together and focus again on prayer. So in this moment, as you remember your divine nature, remember that the person beside you, the person in front of you or behind you, also has that divine spark. Sometimes it gets covered up by our fears, by our experiences, but it's there always. So as you breathe in for your neighbor, breathe out peace for them. Breathe in peace, breathe out peace. May peace be our every step. And let's take that thought deeper into meditation now, as we focus on that spark in us, inside each of us. There is that powerful place. And today, I step into that power. I invite you to step into that power, because we know that all of the attributes of God are the attributes in us. God is powerful. I am powerful. God is beautiful. I am beautiful. God is loving. I am loving. God is giving. I am giving. All of these things God is, I am. We have the power to shift our thoughts. We have the power to shift our actions. We have the power to bless the world. And today we step into that power together. Sometimes it's hard to feel powerful. And yet, as we enter the silence together, ask, Spirit, show me my place of power. Fill me with that knowledge. Grant me eyes to see the truth in me. And as we breathe in and as we breathe out, today we know that all of the things God is, we are. And we claim our power and we claim our peace And so it is.